15 Steps to Minimalism and Downsizing Your Home or Apartment. Hello, and welcome to the Fulcrum channel. Today we're diving into downsizing and the minimalist lifestyle. Downsizing is something most people go through in this life, and for many reasons. Maybe the kids have finally launched and the house now feels like too much work, or a relationship has ended requiring the splitting of assets and sale of your residence. Maybe even a job loss or retirement has forced a move you hadn't planned on. In my own case, the end of a long-term marriage required downsizing myself from a 2-story 3-bedroom home with a 2-car garage to a 1-bedroom apartment. We had 30 years of family history filling the home, some of the stuff in the basement that had been there since we moved in. It took 6 months of rooting through boxes of the kids' old toys, school projects, books, old clothes and memorabilia inherited from our own parents. The main thing I learned from the experience is trying to do it all at once is an exhausting process, both physically and emotionally. Rule number 1 should be set one goal at a time and break it up into smaller tasks, and get someone with no emotional connection to your possessions to give you a hand. If I was going to do it again, I would go at the task room by room, starting with the easiest ones, breaking it down to sections if you have to, for example, the main bedroom closet. Before you do anything, pick up cardboard boxes, tape and a Sharpie to label boxes for things you are going to donate or is going to immediate family and relatives. What I've found is there are at least 20% of things most people won't miss and can be eliminated from the home or apartment before moving, downsizing or just going for a more minimalist lifestyle. Let's get into it one segment at a time. Segment 1. Kitchen. First up is the kitchen, a place where we often accumulate unnecessary items without even realizing it. Consider letting go of those excess kitchen gadgets and appliances you rarely use. Simplify your cooking routine by sticking to essential tools that serve multiple purposes. Item 1. Single-purpose appliances. Do you really need that avocado slicer, pasta maker, or popcorn machine? While they might have seemed useful at some point, these single-purpose appliances often end up taking valuable space in your kitchen. Let them go and free up room for more versatile tools. Item 2. Duplicate utensils. We all have that drawer filled with multiple spatulas, ladles, and wooden spoons. Chances are, you only use 1 or 2 favorites regularly. Keep just one of each and donate the rest to someone who might need them. Item 3. Excess Tupperware, mixing bowls, ovenware, pots and pans, dinnerware. Take a moment to sort through your collection, keeping only what you need and ensuring they have matching lids. Keep the bakeware, ovenware, pots and pans you use regularly. The multiple sets of dinnerware inherited you don't absolutely have great attachment to, box up for relatives or donation. Segment 2. Wardrobe, closets. Next, let's tackle your wardrobe, an area where we often hoard more than we actually wear. Get brutal with it. Chances are if you haven't worn something in over a year or 2, you probably never will again. Item 4. Outdated or ill-fitting clothes. We all have clothes in our closets that don't fit well or haven't been worn in ages. Holding onto them can create unnecessary clutter and confusion when trying to put together an outfit. Be honest with yourself and let go of those pieces. Donate or sell them to make space for clothes that truly make you feel great. Instead, focus on building a wardrobe with classic, versatile clothing that can withstand the test of time. This way, you'll always have something stylish and appropriate to wear, no matter the occasion. Item 6. Unused accessories. Accessories can add flair to any outfit, but we often accumulate more than we need. Take a critical look at your belts, scarves, and jewelry, and keep only the ones that genuinely bring you joy and complement your style. Letting go of the rest will leave you with a curated collection of accessories that you'll actually wear. Segment 3. Living Room. Now, let's move to your living space, the heart of your home. This is where you relax, unwind, and spend quality time with loved ones. Item 7. Excess throw pillows and blankets. Throw pillows and blankets add a cozy touch to your living room, but having too many can lead to clutter. Keep just a few that match your decor and provide the comfort you desire. Item 8. DVDs and CDs. In the age of streaming services, physical media has become obsolete for many of us. Take a look at your collection of DVDs and CDs. Consider digitizing your favorite movies and music, and then donate or sell the discs to free up shelf space. Item 9. Unread books and magazines. Books and magazines are fantastic sources of knowledge and entertainment. However, if you have unread books gathering dust or outdated magazines piling up, it might be time to let go. Donate them to your local library or a friend who would appreciate them. Segment 4. Bathroom. For most of us, this should be the easiest room in your home. What do you really need in there anyway? Item 10. Expired toiletries. Go through your bathroom cabinets and drawers, and you'll likely find expired medications, skincare products, and old toiletries. Properly dispose of these items and make room for products you genuinely use. Item 11. Unused or old towels. Towels tend to accumulate over time, but how many do you genuinely need? Keep just a few good quality towels and let go of the worn out and unused ones. Item 12. Excessive hair and skincare products. Take a critical look at your hair and skincare products. Are there items you rarely use or have been sitting there for months? Let go of what you don't need and focus on keeping only the essentials that you use daily. Segment 5. Miscellaneous. Finally, let's tackle miscellaneous items around the house that often go unnoticed but can contribute to clutter. Item 13. Old electronics and cables. This one was a biggie for me. I had every outdated or malfunctioning electronics I had ever bought for the last 30 years on shelves in the basement. Old chargers, cables, and outdated electronic gadgets tend to pile up in drawers and cabinets. Take some time to declutter these spaces and recycle or donate those electronic items you no longer need. Item 14. Excess stationery. Old correspondence, old tax records. Stationery can be irresistible, but it's easy to end up with more pens, markers, and notebooks than you'll ever use. Keep only the essentials and donate the rest to schools or community centers. Item 15. Unused exercise equipment. Nearly every auction or yard sale I ever went to have piles of this stuff. Bought on a whim for a New Year's resolution, used for a month, then relegated to the garage or basement. If you have exercise equipment gathering dust, it might be time to reevaluate your fitness routine. Consider selling or giving away equipment that you don't use. Focus on activities you genuinely enjoy, and you'll be more likely to stay active and healthy. And there you have it, 15 items you can eliminate from your home or apartment, making you move easier or to embrace a more minimalist lifestyle. Remember, decluttering is a journey, not an overnight process. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the freedom and peace that come with living more intentionally. Once the job is done, it's actually easy to keep the clutter from ever returning, using one simple rule. Every time you bring something new home, it should enhance or simplify your life. And something else already there has to go. If you found this video helpful, help us continue to provide inspiring content on self-improvement and personal growth by subscribing to the channel. Please comment below your experiences with anything from our videos that you've incorporated in your lifestyle or have any ideas of things you'd like us to cover in the future. Together, let's embrace the power within us to create the life we desire. As always, stay curious, breathe deep and enjoy each day.